There is a type of person most of us have met at least once. The moment everything goes wrong, they become the calmest person in the room. The ceiling is leaking, the engine won't start, someone is falling apart emotionally, and this person just settles in, like the chaos actually suits them somehow. And if you're not that person, watching them can feel almost offensive, because your heart is racing, and theirs isn't. So what's actually going on inside someone like that? Here's the truth most people miss. It's not talent. It's not intelligence. It's not even experience, at least not in the way you think. It comes down to one question their brain asks first. Is this something I can affect? Most people go straight to worst-case scenarios. Anxiety takes over before thinking even begins. But calm people ask a different question. Not what if this goes wrong, but where do I start? That habit is the difference. And it's built, not born. Psychologist Albert Bandura called this self-efficacy, the belief that you can handle what's in front of you. People with high self-efficacy don't panic at problems. They scan them, like a musician hearing a wrong note. Then there's something called cognitive closure, the need to resolve uncertainty. For some people, an unsolved problem isn't just annoying, it lingers, like background noise that won't turn off. And if you combine that with a growth mindset, the belief that ability can be developed, you get someone who doesn't just see problems, they step toward them. That's the calm you're seeing. It's not detachment, it's direction. But here's the part nobody talks about. Fixing things can also feel safe. If you're solving the problem, you're not the problem. If you're useful, you're valuable. So here's the question. Don't answer it quickly. Just sit with it. Are you fixing things because you enjoy making things better? Or because stillness feels uncomfortable? Because not being needed feels like disappearing? Both can look the same on the outside. Only you know what's driving yours. If you saw yourself in this, the goal isn't to stop fixing. It's to choose when. Because a gift you give compulsively stops feeling like a gift. And if this isn't you, that matters too. It means you can stop expecting the fixers in your life to always be okay themselves. So tell me this, when you fix something, what does it actually feel like? Relief? Pride? Or something you can't quite name? Because that answer says more about you than almost anything else. And in the next video, we're diving into something just as misunderstood. The psychology of people with too many interests, and why that might be your biggest advantage.